Take a moment to check out the 2022 Toyota RAV4. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Handle life's twists and turns with confidence in this responsive, sporty RAV4. With advanced safety tech, multiple driving modes to choose from, a smooth ride, and compact SUV versatility, you'll be ready for whatever lies ahead. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: lane departure warning, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, backup camera, power liftgate, lane keeping assist, satellite radio, heated mirrors, keyless start, adaptive cruise control. Optimize your driving experience in this rugged yet refined RAV4. Our team of courteous professionals will help you make the most of your vehicle search. Kick it off with a fun, easy, and informative test drive.